What if I told you that the money you work for every day doesn't actually move the way you think it does? Most Americans believe money flows from jobs to banks to bills. But the real system works very differently, and once you see it, you'll never look at money the same way again. Stay with me, because this explains why some people stay broke while others quietly get richer doing almost nothing. On the surface, America looks simple. You work, you get paid. You pay rent, food, gas, and maybe save what's left. But behind the scenes, money doesn't just sit in your bank account. It's constantly moving, even when you're asleep. In fact, the moment your paycheck hits your account, that money already starts working for someone else. And most people have no idea who. Let's start with the average American paycheck. Before you even see your money, a large part of it is already gone. Taxes are taken out automatically. Social Security, Medicare, state taxes. You never touch that money. It flows directly to the government system. Then what's left hits your bank account, but even that money isn't really resting. Banks don't store your money in a vault, they lend it out. Your savings are someone else's loan. Here's how banks really make money. They take deposits from millions of regular people and loan that money to home buyers, credit card users, businesses, corporations. They pay you almost nothing in interest, but charge borrowers much more. That difference is profit. So while you think your money is safe in the bank, it's actually fueling the debt economy. And America runs on debt. Now let's talk about where most American money flows. Not to savings, not to investments. It flows into housing, transportation, healthcare, interest payments. Rent and mortgages take the biggest cut. Car payments follow closely behind. Then credit cards quietly drain what's left. This is why so many people feel like they're working harder every year, but moving nowhere. The system is designed to keep money circulating, not staying with you. Here's where things change. Wealthy Americans use the exact same system, but in reverse. Instead of being the borrower, they become the lender. Instead of paying interest, they collect it. Their money flows into stocks, real estate, businesses, funds. While most people trade time for money, the wealthy trade money for more money. That's the real difference. One habit separates wealthy Americans from everyone else. Automation. They automate savings, investments, retirement contributions. Money moves out of their paycheck before they can spend it. Most people do the opposite. They spend first, then try to save what's left. And usually, nothing is left. Here's something most people never hear. The system isn't broken, it's complex on purpose. Financial education isn't taught clearly, because confused consumers are profitable consumers. Interest, fees, subscriptions. Small amounts, repeated monthly. That's how money quietly leaves your account without you noticing. You don't need to be rich to change this. You just need to track where your money actually goes, reduce interest payments, automate saving first, not last. Think like an owner, not just a worker. Even small changes redirect the flow. Now you know how money really moves in America. Not magically, not fairly, but predictably. If you understand the flow, you can change where it goes. And that's how real financial control begins. Follow this channel to learn the systems most people never explain.